Handling unstable pressure in mini hydraulic tools. First, check the battery level. Please charge or replace the battery in time when the battery is low. Press the pressure relief button to check for any abnormalities such as jamming. If the pressure relief button is abnormal, loosen the screws fixing the housing in sequence and check the pressure relief valve area. If it is just an assembly issue, it can be repaired and then reinstall the housing. Remove the screws on the back housing and take out the main unit. When the pressure is too low, turn the pressure regulating valve screw clockwise. When the pressure is too high, turn the screw counterclockwise. Maintenance and replacement of pressure regulating valve. Unscrew the fixing screws of the pressure regulating valve and check in sequence whether there is any foreign objects or wear on the pressure regulating valve cap, pressure regulating spring, pressure relief damper, and valve needle. Use special tools to remove the pressure relief seat. Check whether there are foreign objects or deformation of the middle hole. Observe whether the gasket is deformed abnormally. Reinstall the pressure relief seat, valve needle, pressure relief damper. The perforated side faces the needle, pressure regulating spring, and pressure regulating valve cap. The cap needs to be installed with the corresponding sealing ring. Finally, fix it with a hexagon screw. At this time, there is no need to test the pressure, just screw on the screw without tightening it. Tighten it to the appropriate position during the subsequent pressure adjustment process. Disassemble the plunger inside the pump body. Cut off the fixing strap on the oil bladder and pour the hydraulic oil into a container. Remove the pump body fixing screws in sequence, rotate the output end cover, and the valve block can be removed. Check whether the valve block can be used normally. Check whether the piston rod is worn. If worn, replace the piston rod in time. Install the piston back into the pump body. Turn the piston check valve toward the cylinder, install back into the pump body, and rotate back the output end cover plate. First, tighten the two outer housing fixing screws, and then tighten the two inner screws. After reinstalling, test the pressure stability with special equipment and expel the air. The normal fluctuation range during 10 pressure buildups should be within plus or minus 5%. After completing the pressure test, let it stand for 1 hour, then replenish the hydraulic oil and tie up the oil bladder. Motor replacement: simply pull out the old motor and insert a new one.